I don't really know what I like about my doctor. I only ever had one, who was a pediatrician. She was a lady. She was cool. She gave me candy. I guess that's what I liked about my doctor. She was nice. The thing that I like most about my doctor is that he's very attentive to my specific needs as his patient, and he's very observant of my medical history, so he's able to use that to help make better diagnostics when he's dealing with me.
I like the fact that my doctor, once you go see her and you do a blood work or whatever the case may be, the good thing about her is you get to go online to see your results. So you don't really have to necessarily, call in to see what your result was. And also, I like the fact that you have access to her 24/7, which is something I look for in a doctor.
I love that my doctor and I can have the best conversations. She's very welcoming and open, and I can tell her anything. With her, it's never a patient-doctor conversation. It's more of a person-to-person conversation.
What do I like about my doctor? I like that my doctor's office is open on Saturdays because I work Monday through Friday. And I like that my doctor is very informative.
I would want them to know what makes me feel comfortable when I'm in a doctor's office. Besides having things for kids, why not for teenagers or college students, what they can do during college to stay healthy, things like that. One concern that I have with my doctor is that oftentimes he prescribes a lot of pharmaceutical drugs, but I would prefer if he did alternative medicine, like more natural remedies, things that are a bit more on the holistic side of medicine, because I think that that would be very beneficial for me as a young woman who's growing and, wants to reach her full prime.
I guess the only concern I have is about my doctor is the fact that I go to the doctor's office, I wait for about 2 hours to see my doctor. When I finally see my doctor, you know, he only sees me for 2 seconds. And it's like, I need you to give me the attention that I deserve. I'm paying you, this amount of money. The least you can do is ask, how are you doing? Do you have any questions for me today? And I just say, that's all, bye, and move on to the next person. I just wish that my doctor would, just give me a little bit of time to just kind of, not instead of rushing me to just and dismiss me, just give me a little bit of time to, ask for questions that I need.
I was just hoping that my doctor could be more my gynecologist and my medical doctor. I don't like the fact that I have to go to a separate office to see a gynecologist.
Do I have any concerns I wish my doctor would address? The only concern that I wish that my doctor would address is more resources. I wish she would give me more resources instead of our once a month or once every 2 months conversations. What else can she give me?